Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 Pro and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode we have to switch to the video one. So let's tap on it, and since it is highlighted and if you can see this red circle inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we have to open the panel with the options, and all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up just like that. And as you can see right in the middle we've got the resolution option. We've got three different options to choose from, the 8K, 4K and FHD. FHD option right now is applied, it is notified right here. What's more, this option is circled and it has got this yellow color on it. So all you have to do in order to change the resolution is to simply tap on the one you'd like to use. And as you can see, it actually immediately changes. It is notified right here that from now on I will use the 8K resolution. So after picking particular option, your device will immediately apply it, so you will be able to record videos in chosen one. So actually this is it. This is how to change video resolution in your Motorola Edge 30 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.